Have you ever wondered why quinoa is considered a superfood? This small grain-like seed has its roots in the Andean region of South America, but it's quickly taking the world by storm. Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with an impressive array of proteins, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. It's no wonder then that it's become a favorite among health enthusiasts and gourmet chefs alike. So why all the buzz around this humble grain? Curious to know more about this nutrient-rich superfood? Stay tuned! Quinoa, a nutrient powerhouse, is a balanced mix of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This humble grain, often mistaken for a seed, is a nutritional marvel. Packed with protein, it's a rare plant source offering all 9 essential amino acids. It's chock full of fiber, supporting healthy digestion and satiety. Plus, it's loaded with a variety of vitamins and minerals, providing a well-rounded nutritional profile. This makes it a superfood that fits seamlessly into any diet. Indeed, quinoa is a valuable addition to a balanced diet. But what are the specific health benefits of quinoa? Let's dive in. Firstly, quinoa is a complete protein source. It's one of the few plant-based foods that provide all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent protein source for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based protein into their diet. Secondly, quinoa is rich in fiber. This high fiber content supports digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and contributes to a feeling of fullness. So if you're looking to manage your weight, adding quinoa to your meals can be a smart move. Next, for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, quinoa is a boon. It's naturally gluten-free, making it a suitable grain alternative that doesn't compromise on nutrition. The health benefits don't stop there. Quinoa is also high in antioxidants. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, supporting overall health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Quinoa is also great for heart health. Its fiber and nutrient content may contribute to heart health by helping lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Finally, quinoa is a good source of essential minerals like magnesium, iron, zinc, and phosphorus. These minerals are vital for various bodily functions, including bone health and energy metabolism. As you can see, quinoa is truly a superfood, offering numerous health benefits. Impressed with what quinoa has to offer? It's time to make a change for the better. Start incorporating quinoa into your meals. Experience the health benefits of this superfood firsthand. Increase your fiber intake, boost your protein levels, and enhance your overall well-being. Plus, it's gluten-free and packed with essential minerals. So why wait? Start your quinoa journey today. Subscribe for more content and keep discovering more superfoods with us.